Comes in a set of 8. Great to use to keep stuffing inside poultry while baking. Includes 20-inch of lacing. Reusable and easy to clean. Measures 0.4 of a centimeter. Norpro 843 stainless steel poultry lacers, set of 8, pack of 1, metallic. Top reviews from the United States. A cookier must. I have no idea how these are used for their intended purpose, but as a tool for cookie decorating they are ideal. I purchased these based on Julia M Usher's suggestion on all her videos, but then wondered if the scribe tool or food pick recommended by other cookiers would have been a better choice. So I bought a couple of those, too. 98% of the time I reach for these little guys first. The size in my hand just feels better and like I have more control, which is critical when working on fine details.